Welcome, Dr. Denise M. Robinson here, going over the rules of 4 on the abacus. Okay, we know we've got our counting bar, and if you've done the lessons of 1, 2, and 3, you'll know all the placements of these of the abacus. So let's just dive right in. We know we have 4 beads below the counting bar and our number 5 up above. So the rules of 4 is, go ahead and set 4. You're always going to clear 1 because we know everything needs to equal up to number 5. Now we're advancing in our numbers, so we're going to also be thinking about everything needs to add up to either 5 or 10, and I'm going to show you that. And that is true on any of our numbers. 1, 2, and 3 we've already done. You're going to notice that if you can't clear the number that you need on 1, well, you're going to clear 9, and 8 is 2, and 7 is 3, and you're going to be seeing that also. So let's go over 4s now. So our rule of 4 is you clear 1, set and 5. Sure enough, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if your student is losing count of that 5 or forgetting to count 5, teach him to keep his finger on that 5, and he can just say 5, and with his thumb say 6, 7, 8, and count down. So if I say set 4, we of course already know that you need to clear 1, and you keep clearing until you set. But I also want you to make note of what we're clearing. So we clear 1, we know that, and we keep clearing. Make note, we're clearing a 5, and we're setting a 10. Once again, 10 minus 6, did you all pick that up? 5 plus 1 is 6, okay? So 10 minus 6 is 4. Because when we're doing math, our numbers are always perfect. Where we can keep just clearing 1, then you have to think about the rule of 10. So it depends on whether you're adding everything up to 5s or 10s. Let's keep going. Okay, we need to set 4. Our rule is we clear 1, set a 5. Looks good. Set 4. Once again, we keep clearing until we set, and we clear a 1. That sounds good. We keep clearing. There's that 5. Remember, 5 plus 1 is 6. Remember that? We come over and set a 10 because 10 minus 6 is 4. So it follows both ways where we're thinking about adding everything up to 5 or 10. It just depends on what number you're clearing. Let's keep going. Set 4. That's nice and direct. We love that. Set 4. We clear 1. Set a 5. Set 4. Here we go, people. We're going to be clearing our 6. But if your child isn't there yet, just have him just say, keep clearing until you set. But we clear 1, clear 5, set a 10. We are up to 30. 10, 20, 30, and 1, 2, 32. Here we go, set 4. We know the rule is clear 1, set 5. Here we go, set 4, clear 1, clear 5. That does equal up to 6 also, and we keep clearing until we set a bead, and that's 10, and we are up to 40. And we also know 4 times 10 is 40. Here we go, set 4. That's nice, clean, and direct. Set 4, here's our rule. We clear 1, we set a 5. Let's keep going. Set 4, we know we need to clear a 1, we clear a 5. That does equal up to 6. Keep that in mind. We clear 40 because everything's already set there, and we go up to the 50, and we set a 50, and we have 52. Here we go. Set 4, we clear 1, set a 5. Here we go. Set 4, we clear 1, we clear a 5, and that does equal up to 6. And we come on over to our 10, and we set a 10. So both rules are always in play about the equaling up to 5 and equaling up to 10. Just depends how far you're counting. Let's keep going. Set 4. That's a nice straight 4. Set 4. Clear 1. Set a 5. Here we go. Set 4. Clear 1. Clear 5. Set a 10. Keep going. Set 4. Clear 1. Set that 5. Set 4. Let's keep going. We clear that 1. We clear that 5. That does equal up to 6 also. And we come over and we set a 10. Set 4. Nice and clear. Adding all those up. Set 4. We clear 1. We set a 5. Keep going. Set 4. We clear a 1. We clear that 5. And we come over and set a 10. Beautiful. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 2. Okay, set 4, we clear 1 set of 5. Set 4, here we go again. We clear 1, clear 5, that equals up to 6 also. And oh, nice big numbers, here we go. We have nothing to add down here. So we clear that 4, 40, we clear that 50, and we come on over to our 100 and set 100. We go ahead and set 4. Okay, I think you have the idea of setting 4s, and now you're starting to get the idea of you're either thinking, of course, about adding everything up to 5, but now adding everything up to 10, and we'll do more lessons off of that. Okay, go forth and learn your 4s and the rules of 4.